So today we're going to talk about gable wall framing. It's the end wall to the cabin. So we've got the west wall up, we've got the east wall up, and this is the end wall. So it has a peak to it. It has a ridge beam that it supports. And you're going to see these are full height studs. That's another thing that's unique. I'll show you the template that we laid out, and this is pretty tricky framing. So you see we used full-length LVLs. They started out almost 20 feet long. I believe they are 20 footers. We had some 16s and some 20s. So the advantage to using the LVLs are they're straight. They're a factory produced piece of lumber. Okay, well, I'm going to swing around here and show you the template that Rich and I made for the roof. Okay, we've got a 9 to 12 pitch. That is our ridge beam glue lam. It's 5.5 by 16. And then we have a column to support that at the other end that will sit on the glue lam that's under the plank floor. So I'll take a few more, but we didn't use a break in this wall because of the wind loads, and that's kind of important. So you look down this way, you see we've got the perimeter framed, and we did the same thing we've always done on all the framing. We laid out the framing on the sill plate. We noted it all, and that's real important to get your 16-inch spacing on center. And then it should go pretty quickly from then. I'm going to take you down and show you one of the wind anchors that has to be set. That's in the corner. Here's another one that's already set. We've got to coordinate it. It's a 7/8 inch bar that's set all the way down into the foundation. So both of these corners pick up the shear. You see another wind anchor right there. But again, the important part is this gable end framing. I'm going to zoom in and talk about this. Again, you see that we cut the pitch for this plate. It's at 54 degrees, which is, we've got a 9 to 12 pitch, so you've got two angles, 54 and 36. And we do the same thing down at the other corner. You see that? And then we'll be ready to raise because we're flush with the walls. All right, I'll take another video in a minute here and try and help everybody out.